Hey everybody, it's Mindy. Package here. Let's see what's in it. I wrote on it. I've opened it. I have to open it to figure out who they're from. All these bags look the same. You can't tell. So this one's from everydayedeals. There's a couple things in here. Let's look at them and see what we got. Yeah. I did open up one of these at some point to figure out what painting it was. This one. Yeah. So I would know what company we were talking about. Okay. Anyhow. Okay, we got a bag. And we got a bag. And we have a bag. Love it. A bag and a bag and a bag. And somewhere this thing opens. Where? Oh, where? I do not know. There it is. Sometimes they're hard to find. All right. Let's see what we have here. It's got pretty colors. I can see that. Come on. Ugh, there we go. Struggle, struggle, struggle. I'm going to roll it backwards. It's got some folds here from being wrapped around the drills. It's poured glue, so we can, roll it backwards. I get the folds. It's got beautiful colors, you guys. It's got flowers and beautiful colors. I can see that much. Oil canvas, kind of a stiffer one. Here's our toolkit, your basic toolkit. It does have beautiful colors. Look at the pinks and purples, blues. It's got beautiful colors. All right. Let me show you what it is. Okay, it's a 30 by 40, I believe. Oh, it's very pretty. Very pretty. Wow, it's very pretty. Love that. That is pretty. Look, we got a butterfly up here in the flowers and all these pink flowers. Wow, that's gorgeous. The grass, the sky. Okay, so it has 20 colors, and you can see already that there are no DMC codes on the canvas. Okay, no DMC codes on the canvas. This one might be a non-DMC code. Yeah, might be. We'll see. I haven't measured in a while. They're usually about either 25 or 24. 25. Okay, so it's going to be 25 by 35 then. Yeah, if I flatten it out, yes, we get to 35. Okay, cool. So there you go. It's beautiful though. Look at it. Okay, let's look at the dark greens down here. Can we see everything in the dark green? Yeah, that's all pretty clear. N, X, 8. I don't see anything confusing in those colors at all. In any of those symbols. Super clear. Very nice. This is really pretty. Super pretty. I love it. 20 colors. Yeah, poured glue. Sticky glue. Butterflies and the flowers. Butterflies and the flowers. There's two butterflies. There's this one here and there's this one up here. Very pretty. Wow. Okay, let's look at the drills. Gorgeous colors. Yep, this is a non-DMC code. None on the canvas. None on the drills. Drills that won't open. Seriously, this whole painting's like, no, no, we don't want to open. Okay. I think that one will look really good when it's completed. I need to just have a 30 by 40 event. Let's have a 30 by 40 event and just do a whole bunch of small ones because I could get a whole bunch done in a month, right? Anyhow, beautiful purples. That's got to be black. Another purple. Lots of like drills in the wrong places here. Greens. Oh, look at all those greens over here and the gold. Like I said, their machine must have been going wonky because they're just now they got it together. Look, now we got greens and now we got pinks. This one tried to leave. Okay, that one tried to leave, but no, the machine caught that one. Oh, but then we're back to, look, there's a white in here and there's a pink in here. I don't know. How do you do that? Hit the button. Stop. No, stop. I don't know. Anyhow, very pretty. I like it. It's pretty. Okay. What else did I get from everydayedeals? This one's kind of thin. So it's either small, special drill. I don't know. We'll find out in a moment. Oh, special drill. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, ho, ho. It's magic. You know. I want to do this. I want to do this. Can I get this done before Christmas? I don't know. Let's find out. There's drill, tray, whatever. It's rhinestones. Look at those two colors together. Look at that lime green and that light pink. So pretty. So pretty. Okay, we'll look at those in a second. I really like this. Okay, you'll see why. Look, it's special drill, but look at the bottom. It has a music staff and even the words. Something for you, something for me. You can read it. It's printed, of course, you can read it. But look at, this is so cool. It's got music all over it. And look at who it is. That's why I said ho, ho, ho. Isn't he cool? He's like an old-timey Santa, you know, vintage Santa. Isn't he cool? He's got a pink hat. I love him. Pink hat, pink flowers. Oh my gosh. Okay, there can't be that much to do on this. I can get this done. This won't take that long. I could do this in maybe an hour or two, maybe. Oh, he's so cool though. He is so cool. I gotta flatten it first before I can do it. Oh, do I have to get the iron out? Oh man, because I really want to do this, like before Christmas this year. And wouldn't he look cool with a white frame? He would look great in a white frame, I would think. Or pink. I mean, you know, if you can find a pink frame, let me know. Pink frame for a 30 by 40? Well, probably like a, you know, 25 by 35. But he's cool. I love him. Okay, let's see what we have to work with here. Beautiful colors. Beautiful. Okay, so let's start with these. The blue ABs. Those are beautiful, right? And then we have clear. A couple of pinks, a lighter, you see them, a lighter and a darker pink. This is like a yellow, greenish yellow, a yellow, and a lime green. Then we have some teardrops. Look at those. Those are pretty. Green, cut, AB. These are purple, and these are green. He's so cute. I like him. I like him a lot. Okay. I'm not going to put this one away. I'm going to leave him out so I make myself do it because I really want to do him before Christmas and see if I can find a frame. I'm thinking a white frame would be the easiest. Just, you know, he's so cute. My old time Santa. So, cool stuff. Yeah, just a couple small things, but pretty cool. I don't need a ton, right? Everyday e-deals, I mean, they keep me to a limit. They're like, you can get 2 small things, you can get 1 large thing. They keep me to a limit. They keep me on my toes. Got it. I like that. All right. Thank you for watching, you guys. And I will link them below. And like I said, I'm going to try to get him done. Maybe you'll see him before Christmas. Fingers crossed. Okay. I'm going to go now. Thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, spending time with me. All that stuff you do. Have a great day. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. I will talk to you guys later. So I thought I would show you that I finished one of them. I did. I got the Santa done before Christmas. I just need to throw him in a frame. He's so pretty. Just beautiful. Look at all these. Look at all those specials down there. This one was so pretty. A lot of silver and like gold colors and then the pink. Just so pretty. Then the hat was all outlined with these blue ABs, which was unique. But look at how jolly he looks. Of course, his face is not diamond painted, but isn't he beautiful? So pretty. So, so pretty. Look at that. So, yeah, I did that one night. It took me a couple hours. I just was watching some lives or something and just sat and finished this one. I like how it's printed in the back with the music staff and there's things like that. And it's just so pretty. I just thought I'd share it with you and, you know, that I did complete one. Yay! So, yep. I thought I'd put this at the end of the video. Anyhow, he makes me smile. I'm going to go put him in a frame now. So, have a great day. Thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe, those kinds of things. You know, if you feel like it. That'd be great. Anyhow, happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Ho, 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 and all that. I'll see you guys later. Bye.